Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel Tyro's buddy Anila. Exfoliation is an important step in your skincare routine. It helps in removing dirt, pores, blackheads and whiteheads. Today you will learn how to make most perfect, effective exfoliating DIY face scrub. Well, let's get started. Rice is the most important ingredient for whitening your skin, and it contains vitamin A, B, antioxidants, amino acids, which closes your pores, tightens your skin, and many more. For making scrub, we'll use rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, grind the rice in the mixie and use it. The next ingredient is honey. It's antibacterial, antiseptic, and it has whitening properties. Add 1 spoon of rice flour and some amount of honey. Mix them well. I have added some more rice flour and honey. Can you see the consistency? Yeah buddies, it's ready. Now we can apply on our face. I'll show you the application. You can store the scrub in fridge for about a month. Use the scrub twice a week. Do try at home and share your experience in the comment section below. Yeah buddies, hope you like this video. If you do, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.